Hi guys, good morning. I just thought I would show you a couple of little simple exercises that you can do to work out your deep core muscles in your lower abdominals, and you can do this with your roller. So your roller can be used not just to stretch but as an exercise tool as well. So the first thing is get onto the roller sitting on one end. So you need a long one that's about 90 centimeters, and pop your head on the other end and your arms out wide like a spread eagle to help you with your balance, because the next thing you're going to do is lift one leg up to 90 degrees, pull on your lower abdominals to help you balance, and then float your other leg up as well. So what you're doing here is trying to keep your knees nicely at 90-degree angles there like that, making sure your belly button is pasted down towards your spine and your lower back is touching the roller. So the next thing you'll be able to do then is touching one toe down, floating back up, and swap. So you kind of touch one toe down, connect it back at the top, touch at the bottom, connect it back at the top. So this is actually a progression from what I've previously showed you in my other videos from the lower back and core, just working off the floor. This one, obviously because you're laying on the roller and it's rolling around, is going to be a lot harder to stabilize, and you're using your lower belly button, your lower abs around that belly button area to actually help you balance. So I like doing this on the roller because it not just works on your abs when you do this, but you're stretching out your chest here and also working on opening up your back. So you can simply do your toe touches single leg at a time, and if this is easy, you can actually go into a double tap, down and up, down and up. Whew, it's pretty hard. So you can even do a single, double tap combo. Okay, the other one that you can work on in this position is a leg extension, single leg extension, bend it back in, and the opposite side, and the whole time you want to try not to let your rib cage come off the roller, so that's not flaring up. You're keeping that nice and tight down. And again, you can do your double leg reaches as well, which is much harder to balance, and back in, and your abs should be burning quite a lot by now, just that lower half down here. Another thing that you can do with your abs on the roller is popping your hands behind your head, just working on doing some ab crunches. So just keeping your bum down, just trying to crunch up as far as you can, and it's a bit of a back massage while you're at it as well. So I quite like this one. So you can kind of do a bit of an exhale, breathe out as you crunch up and really pull that belly button in, checking down whether to see whether you can hold that belly button down or is it popping up, which means that you're not really stabilizing down here. But this one can be a full abdominal workout as well. So doing a crunch. You can even do a side to side tap here as well if you like, just to make it work a little bit harder on that roller. Of course, if you put your feet in close together, it gets a lot harder to balance and a lot more work on the abs to reach. Okay, you can even combine through the two, so you can crunch and then really work on getting a balance as you lift one leg up and then lower, then crunch and do the other side as well. So that's working throughout the abdominals. And look, if you're really adventurous and you've got better balance than me, you can even try doing crunch and then even bring the other leg up at all, which I'm not very good at, but that can be your challenge. So see if you can give those ones a go, bit of an ab workout on the roller, and I'd love to hear how you went.